Hi, I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. I'm here today to talk about how to fix garlic and asparagus in the microwave oven. You know, some people think microwaves are only for heating up leftovers or cooking artificial foods, but this is a delicious recipe you can fix in just a few minutes. Now, after you've washed your asparagus, you always want to trim off the bottom couple of inches. That's just a real fibrous tip of the asparagus that's too tough to be pleasant to chew. We're going to put our asparagus kind of in a single layer in a baking dish. Then we're going to make a little bit of a vinaigrette to put over it. Now we'll start with some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to add some lemon juice, some fresh cracked black pepper, sea salt, and then we're going to add some fresh garlic. Now, I love garlic, and I love using the garlic press. You just pop the clove of garlic in, squeeze it, and you get all the delicious juices from the garlic, and you get the very center of all that delicious garlic clove. We're going to just stir that for just a minute. Pour it over our asparagus. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to pop it into the microwave for between 3 and 5 minutes, depending on how thick your asparagus is. Let's go ahead and pop this into the microwave. We'll start off about 3 minutes and then check it and see how it's doing. Okay, let's see if our asparagus is done. Oh, it is, and it looks great. We've got the richness of the olive oil, a little acid flavor from the lemon, and that garlic just infuses the flavor right into it. This is an easy garlic and asparagus recipe using your microwave oven. I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Thanks for watching.